Hi everybody. I got another question this week. A couple good questions came in from Rostov on the Don, Russia. And the questions are having to do with milling about and power generation. So I'm going to do my best to demonstrate and answer those questions. I'm going to give a shout out and say Здравствуйте, мой друзі, как дела? Я хорошо. Это milling about и power generation. Английский. Again, milling about, power generation. I hope you guys enjoy the footage and keep sending in those questions. Thanks. Спасибо. Okay, what you just saw is how milling about is done. Use it with circling footwork, giving a barrage of punches in this manner. Okay? Get the milling about. Alright, throwing good punches. Power generation. Okay, generation of power does not come from the shoulder. Нет. It's the whole body, like this. Okay? Whole body turns with it. Starts in the feet. Okay, I'm going to apply drop steps now. I use a drop step for power generation. Again, it's a weight transfer. Okay, I'm going to use my left now, and I use this with rotational force. Okay, so I'm here in my guard. Okay. Guard up. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate you guys watching my channel, South Bay Filipino Martial Arts Club. And by the way, we are also Classic Martial Arts Club. That is a California chapter. Thank you for watching. Keep sending in the questions. Look us up on Facebook. You can see us on South Bay Filipino Martial Arts Club, or you can find us under Sabres of Eurasia. Thanks for watching. До свидания.